Welcome back to a very special Broke vs. Pro episode. Ken, pick a box. Literally any box.
Okay.
So today, the challenge is simple. So inside each of the mystery boxes, Matt and I have put together a list of components. And it's all thanks to our wonderful sponsor, Micro Center. Inside of each of these mystery boxes is either a great, an okay, or a not so great PC component. But the real kicker is, will it actually be a well-rounded system, or will it be a Frankenstein's monster of random PC goodness? Or, well, maybe not goodness in some of these cases.
This is an AMD Ryzen 5 3600, 3.6 gigahertz, 6 core with the Wraith cooler.
For round two, we only have 2 boxes to choose from. Are you going to get something great? Are you going to get something terrible? Who knows?
50-50 shot. Austin is trying his best to fumble around with these boxes and try to throw me off the trail, but there's no real way of me telling which box has what, so actually, I don't even think he knows what's in these boxes, so there's no rhyme or reason here. It's up to chance. It's really all it is. It's just up to chance. I'll pick this one. Okay. Just before we get too carried away.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. MSI X570 MPG Gaming Edge Wi-Fi motherboard.
Okay.
X570, let's go.
X570, hard to get much higher end than that.
Yeah.
Too bad you didn't pick what was in this box, but I guess you'll never know.
Is it a B550 by chance?
Who knows?
Checkmate.
Who knows?
What do we have next?
So here come the big marbles. Does anyone say, here come the big marbles? Here comes the big chalupa?
They don't.
Here comes the big chungus?
Are these graphics cards?
These are graphics cards.
Okay.
Which graphics card do you want? All right, what'd you get?
It's not awful.
Go ahead.
MSI GeForce GTX 1660, which is actually not a bad pairing with my processor.
That's not a bad pairing at all. So
Yeah.
you're building a pretty mid-range system.
Yeah.
I'll just take these 2 much, much better graphics cards and hide them away. So don't worry about those. What items are left? What can you possibly be going for right now? Do you know what's up?
RAM?
Yeah, it is RAM. Okay, good guess. Good job.
This is gonna be like 2 gigs of RAM, isn't it?
We would never. Go ahead, what was that? What's in there?
Crucial, 8 gigabyte DDR4 2666 single channel memory.
Oh no! Ken, is that not enough RAM for your gaming PC build? Do you wish you would have picked this box? That'll be enough to run Fortnite. I mean, you got single channel. Does anyone need more than a single channel of memory? I don't think so. That's really the sweet spot for Ryzen 5. All right, how you feeling? Confident? You like your system?
I'm mostly confident. The RAM is still a little bit of a, yeah, that's a thing. But I am curious to see what you have next here. What is this?
This would be your storage devices. We almost had a third option, which was just going to be a USB drive that you had to put Windows off of, but we decided that was going to be a little too mean.
You mean not the 32 gigabyte flash drive that Micro Center gives you when you visit the store every time you walk in?
You mean the promotion that if you sign up using the link in the description and you can get not only a free 32 gigabyte micro SD card, but also a free USB flash drive? But no, instead you have to work with what's inside these boxes. You want to do this one, right?
Actually, yeah. Why not?
Oh, you did do that one.
Why
Okay,
not?
wow.
Why not? Why not? I mean, what's the worst that can happen? That is the worst that can happen. Oh, Toshiba 1 terabyte 7200 RPM SATA hard drive.
I'll just take your much faster SSD out of the equation, so we'll just put that down there. I'm feeling bad for you. So.
Are you?
No, I'm absolutely not. But here we go. Here are 3 options that are for your peripherals, right? So we're talking mouse, keyboard, headset, all that kind of fun stuff, right? Okay, middle option, what you got?
This is gonna be bad, this is gonna be bad. Oh, it's not bad at all. All it says is best.
Yes, because these are some peripherals that were kindly provided to us by SteelSeries. So you have an entire array of the best that you can get. So if you would like right now, you can lock your system in. You can go home proudly to build yourself this exact PC and that's the end.
Okay.
Or
I
happen to have a few boxes you didn't pick. If you would be willing to, I don't know, barter for some of your items, you might have a couple upgrades.
Wait, so I can exchange. I can actually try to negotiate.
I'm accepting all offers.
All right, I'll put the back components in there. So I'm going to be trading the 8 gigabytes of single channel memory, Crucial, and the Toshiba 1 terabyte hard drive. These are the 2 things that I feel like are going to hold me back the most.
So a problem here is Ken is starting to catch on to the game because, of course, this is sponsored by our friends at Micro Center. He's starting to realize that we don't actually have anything bad, right? No matter what he picks, it's actually going to be fine, which puts me at a disadvantage because he's not going to be as afraid of the other boxes that I have prepared, knowing that I don't actually have any literal garbage inside them. I realize I don't have enough components to do a proper trade, so I'm just going to mix yours in with my boxes.
That's what I thought.
Don't.
That's what I
Look,
thought.
I miscounted, okay? I have to.
Awesome, bring the cards up.
Yes. Matt and I are going to confer on how we're going to do this.
They weren't expecting me to outsmart them.
No, I expected you to outsmart Austin.
All right. After conferring with my co-conspirator, Matthew, we have now given you 2 boxes. Inside one of these boxes are the components that you gambled.
Okay.
Inside the other box are upgrades to the components that you put up on offer. However, regardless of which box you choose, there will be a penalty because you have broken the rules of the game and angered the game show gods. So just know that you're already screwed in some way. We're gonna steal something from you.
Okay. Well, I don't got a choice now, so eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, cool. Oh, cool. Wait. Okay, cool. Same ones.
In the other box, what you could have got was 32 gigs of 4,000 megahertz
Crucial
memory and an SSD.
Okay.
However, you did not get these crucial components, which means that you're stuck with that. Now, because you opted to go for it, we've now taken something from you. It'd be a shame if you were, say, to lose your CPU cooler and instead go down to the most basic cooler possible. I'm ripping your box open right now because I'm stealing it from you because I'm a vengeful game host. So now comes the twist. I am not building a gaming PC today. Instead, I am taking advantage of the last broke versus pro gaming PC that I built alongside Kyle. However, not only am I just using the system that was very powerful and completely ready to kick your ass already, I'm now going to take all the best components that you didn't get. Matt, if you would please.
Let's
so
see, what does he have?
You could have had a brand new Ryzen 9 5900X, also something I'm going to personally be stealing. So enjoy all of this. Have fun.
All right, with this AOC 27-inch monitor and everything else on the table that you saw in the game show portion earlier, I have everything that I need, or at least was given, to beat Austin at Mystery Box Broke versus Pro. I also have this NZXT H510 that we've built in a lot. I built a lot in this case over the past couple of years that I've worked for Austin, and all of that will hopefully mesh well aesthetics-wise with what I have.
Welcome to day 2, where we have 2 completed systems. If you're wondering why it is 4:30 in the afternoon, it's because we spent all day waiting for Ken to install his games. How you coming there?
I finished that 1 terabyte 7200 RPM hard drive, making my life absolutely miserable, but I gotta say, I think I'm pretty confident with how the performance is gonna go on this.
Okay, so let's take a look at the actual systems. Just as a recap, I'm using the Ryzen 9 5900X that Ken so graciously donated to the cause. I also have that RTX 3060 Ti from the original Micro Center build. I also have 32 gigs of super fast 4000 megahertz Corsair memory.
So in my system, I have a GTX 1660, a Ryzen 5 3600, 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM Toshiba hard drive, and 8 gigabytes of 2666 megahertz RAM. So I have the Apex Pro keyboard, which has adjustable switches. You can change the actuation point if you want. This Arctis Pro wireless headset as well. This has been really good. It comes with this nice little DAC module too, which shows you what input you are on.
Well, I have my Arctis 7 headset, which might not be the best, but it's the next best thing. I also have, really, the mouse is really what kills it for me. This thing is incredibly lightweight.
On my end, we have this gigantic gaming desk pad that has the really cool RGB also
The
from
XL?
Steel Series, the 3XL. The only thing is that technically this was my win from the card that I pulled, but because it's the size of the desk, I decided to share it with Austin.
It literally fits almost our entire desk. We couldn't even fit two of these if we tried. You've also got the AOC display, which is much better than my old faithful that lives in our review table.
You have a 1080p monitor, right?
Yes, that is 1080p 144 hertz.
Right, and this is 1440p. It has a 1500 curve on it, which is actually really aggressive when you look at it from the side, right?
Yeah.
But the colors on this
Much
are
better.
really good. They're really good considering that they're not like an IPS display. Most importantly, great for gaming, 144 hertz.
While we each have good systems, mine's better. And case in point, benchmarks. So we've taken the liberty of running Cinebench ahead of time, and I got a cool 1579 on single thread and 21,000 on multi. What you looking at over here? Oh, is that half? Is that half my multi-course?
My thing here is that Austin's build is actually way more higher end than mine. I think in terms of value and in terms of gaming prowess, I don't really think it matters all that much.
But we have more benchmarks, including 3D Mark. Here we go. 11,551 3D Mark Time Sky. I'm so excited. Time Spy, Ken. Time Sky Spy.
I don't think the sponsors would like that one.
Where are you at? Where are you at?
Measly 5,573.
So, less than mine. So not only do I
Yes.
have double the CPU performance, I have double the gaming performance.
Yes, that is quite the difference between a 3060 Ti and a 1660. I will say that Valorant literally takes nothing to run. We ran it on a $500 computer, and I streamed from that computer in 1080p as well while playing Valorant. I think I'm going to get a decent amount of frame rate, like 144 frames, probably maxing out this monitor with the hardware that's in here. I am not worried whatsoever.
Let's do it then.
Yeah.
Valorant, 1v1 me, bro. Oh wait, no.
Well, no, we're just gonna deathmatch because I don't think
Deathmatch
you
me,
can,
bro.
I don't think you can handle team games at all.
I'm not a team player. All right,
All right.
let's get in the game. Woo, 500 FPS, let's go.
Whoa, 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 I'm lagging.
Ho-ho.
Oh, there we go. 162 frames, nice. I'm loving the Arctis Pro a lot because Valorant is a particularly loud game and the sounds are very important. So I'm like totally down with this. It
Yeah.
helps me figure out where people are pretty quickly.
No.
While Austin is dying a lot.
All right, I'm not off to a good start. I'm 1-4. I definitely just spawn camp someone and I don't care. I need my kills.
Oh, there we
what
go.
the-
Here we go. Was that you? That was you.
That was me. That was me.
All right, all right, all right.
How did I not get that? Oh my God, that was terrible.
Don't run and shoot.
No, I wasn't running. I just missed. I am at 7 and 14. This is a deep hole to get out of. Wait, it's okay. Hang on. Ah! There we go. I died. You just killed me as I was pulling up my mic. Cool. Thanks. This is embarrassing. Yeah. Why is everyone good?
Hi, Austin. That flick though.
I hate everything right now. All right. What was your final score?
27 kills.
Oh, I think I was at 11. 12 and 33.
27 and 27.
So, surprise, surprise, Ken wins the round of Valorant. I thought I was gonna do better. I actually legitimately thought I was gonna do better because like with these peripherals and with like 500 FPS, I have such an advantage.
Well, at least you have the advantage in F1, right?
Yeah, all right. Let's move on to F1, where I hopefully have a much better shot at not dying horribly.
Can you die in F1? Because if you can't, I'm sure you'll find a way to do it.
I can crash.
You can crash. Like the first time we played F1.
Don't remind me.
Whoa! No! 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 You have a drive-through penalty. You've been given.
What? Wait, hold on. No, let's restart.
What?
It gave me an immediate penalty.
Yeah, because you started before I did.
No, wait. Let's restart. Nothing. You didn't miss anything. We're totally not starting the race the second time because Josh cut that whole section out. I got a great jump start on you. See, I practiced my launch.
Because I didn't want to spin out, so I'm just gonna trail you, and then we'll go from there.
Where you at?
I'm coming. Don't worry. Oh Jesus! Ah! Okay.
Caution! Why is there a yellow flag, Ken? Okay, now I'm just gonna cruise the
Oh
victory.
jeez! Oh my God! I keep.
Oh, am I doing good?
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
You just gotta hope I screw up. If I drive nice and slow now, I've got this one.
I just got to catch up 24 seconds. Not a big deal.
You're 24 seconds behind?
Yeah, no, it's no big deal.
I can taste a victory right now. The champagne spraying in my mouth. I have an idea.
Oh, what do you got? What do you got?
Just doing some victory donuts. Don't worry about it.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, victory donuts.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Man, I'm just trash today.
Although, unfortunately, I did so many victory donuts, my rear tires are melted, and I have no grip now.
You probably should have just finished the race while you were doing your victory donuts.
It's okay. I'll catch up. You'll crash again.
Wow. I'm 19 seconds ahead now. Cool.
Look, sometimes you do too many victory donuts. It's fine. Usually do them after the race.
Yeah, I was going to say. All right, here it is, boys. Here it is.
Oh, you won? Oh. Well, I'm gonna have fastest lap.
You do. Congrats.
All right, what did we learn today? Victory donuts are always worth it, and I will claim honorary win. I can't even do that.
Gaming skill is all that matters.
Thank you very much for watching this episode of Broke vs. Pro. Make sure to subscribe and ring-a-ling the ding-a-ling button to be always notified the next time we have some stupid shenanigans like this. Until next time, I'm gonna go do victory donuts in the parking lot to make myself feel better.
That's just donuts, not victory donuts.